CSS selectors and comments, mastering the basics. CSS selectors and comments are fundamental tools for web developers. They allow precise styling and organization of HTML elements. This presentation will explore various selector types and comment usage in CSS. Universal and element selectors. Universal selector, asterisk, targets all elements on a page. Use sparingly to avoid performance issues. Element selector. Select specific HTML tags. Ideal for consistent styling across elements. ID and class selectors. ID selector, hash. Targets a unique element. Used for one-off styling needs. Class selector. Selects multiple elements. Perfect for reusable styles across different elements. Group selector. 1. Efficient coding. Group selectors reduce code repetition and improve maintainability. 2. Syntax. Separate selectors with commas to apply the same styles to multiple elements. 3. Best practices. Use group selectors for elements that share common styles consistently. Selector specificity. Universal selector. Lowest specificity applies to all elements unless overridden. Element selector. Higher specificity than universal, targets specific HTML tags. Class selector. More specific than element selectors, allows targeted styling of multiple elements. ID selector. Highest specificity among basic selectors, used for unique element styling. Single line comments. Quick annotations. Ideal for brief explanations or temporary notes in your CSS code. Syntax. Use for single line comments in CSS preprocessors like Sass. Best practice. Keep single line comments concise and relevant to the adjacent code. Multi-line comments. Start comment. Begin with asterisk to open a multi-line comment block. Comment content. Write detailed explanations, to-dos, or temporarily disable large code blocks. End comment. Close the comment block with asterisk to resume active CSS code. Comment best practices. Purpose. Explain complex selectors or styles. Frequency. Use comments sparingly, only when necessary. Maintenance. Keep comments updated as code changes. Debugging. Use comments to temporarily disable problematic code. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. We hope enjoyed the content. Continue CSS classes. Don't miss the next session.